several benefits, making them a convenient and versatile product for parents and caregivers. Gentle cleaning. Baby wipes are designed to be soft and gentle on delicate baby skin. They can effectively clean messes such as diaper changes, spit up, and food spills without causing irritation. Convenience. Baby wipes are portable and pre-moistened, making them easy to use on the go. They are convenient for cleaning up messes when you're away from home or don't have access to water and soap. Multi-purpose. While primarily used for diaper changes, baby wipes can also be used for cleaning hands, face, and even surfaces like high chairs and changing tables. Some adults even use them for makeup removal or quick refreshers. Hypoallergenic options. Many baby wipes are hypoallergenic and free from harsh chemicals, fragrances, and alcohol, making them suitable for sensitive skin and reducing the risk of allergic reactions. Moisturizing. Some baby wipes are infused with moisturizing ingredients like aloe vera and vitamin E, which can help keep baby's skin soft and hydrated. Time saving. Using baby wipes can be quicker and more convenient than using traditional methods like cloth and water, especially during diaper changes or when dealing with messy situations. Disposable. Baby wipes are disposable, which means you can simply throw them away after use, reducing the need for laundry and minimizing the spread of germs. Overall, baby wipes are a versatile and handy product for parents and caregivers, offering convenience, gentleness, and effectiveness in cleaning up various messes while caring for babies and young children.